Hey guys, Charlani here. Welcome back to a studio vlog. I know it has been a while since I have posted here on this channel because I have been so busy, and I'm going to bring you up to speed on everything that's been going on over these last couple of months because we've had a lot going on. Now, let's jump right in because first of all, the last time I left you guys, I was talking about this office space and needing more room, and I had mentioned that we were going to maybe be adding in a couple of new sizes for planners, so which means that we're gonna need a lot more room for inserts, product things, all of that good stuff. And I was talking about this big old bookcase right here. It is big and beautiful. We love this bookcase. However, we are not using the space efficiently. So what I'm going to do, and I think I brought you along with me to IKEA and I showed you an idea of what we wanted to do with the Billy bookcases. My sister and I actually went to IKEA. I took a whole bunch of these bins with me and a bunch of our product, and we set it up so I could really take a look at what it was going to look like. Now, in that last video, we had gone to IKEA. I was pointing out the different bookcases. I had also mentioned that I was thinking of doing getting the lighter wood color rather than the darker, because everything I have is either black or a darker wood, and I kind of am leaning towards the lighter wood, but we'll see. So my sister and I had gone in, we took all of these little bins like this, a bunch of our product, and we just placed it in that lighter colored wood bookcase, and I loved it. Like, I loved it. But I'm having some problems with having just the Billy bookcases along this whole entire stretch, because you can see this wall is really long. And if we do Billy bookcases all the way across, which would be amazing for the inserts, which I'm going to show you what I have in just a second, I am unsure exactly of what I'll do with things like my printer here. I've got a printer down there. Like, there are things that I need to consider, but let me show you what I'm talking about when I say we have a lot of inserts, because I have so many inserts. But this is what I have been doing over the last couple of months, and I will tell you, I'm not sure that I've ever been busier. I have so much product, and this is just a handful. I just have put bins just so that I could pull product from these bins rather than pull them out of the actual boxes. So I've bundled things up so that, like I said, I can pull my orders from here. But look at this, there is so much here, and oh my gosh. And this is just a portion of what we've got. This is just what I'm using for packing orders. And when I need to fill a bin, I'll just pull down the extras, we'll brand them, package them up again, because I can't have much more than what I've already got here, because I need to find a place for this. This is literally my dining room, and it is completely taken up and overrun, this whole area. I need to get this kind of situated. These, if you're wondering, these are 2 pull-out sofas that need to be built. But they're housing some of my inserts right here. So I've kind of just left it because it's actually very helpful right now. But we have new sizes. I told you that we were adding some sizes. So these are the A5 size inserts, and we've added in 3 sizes. We've got the personal size, which is, oh, just absolutely the cutest ever. I love this size so much. And then I've also got the vinyl binders to go with those personal sizes. We also have personal wide binders. I have the A5 binders. that is the personal. This is the A5 binder. So if you didn't want to get like the tropical bloom, these are less expensive, but still super cool. So we have these binders, these vinyl binders here. And then over here, this is the personal wide inserts. And yeah, again, so cute. So they're obviously smaller than the A5s. Here, let me compare them for you. And while I'm grabbing this, we have the disc bound size, which is a lot bigger. So we'll just use, we'll just continue on with this box. So this is our new classic disc bound size, which is 7 by 9.25 inches. This is the A5, so you could see the difference there. And then this is the personal wide, which looks like that. And then you've got the personal size. So this is the differences in sizes. Hopefully you can see that well enough there. But I think we now have a really good mix of planner sizes and inserts. It's a lot, and these are just 4 sizes, and technically there are 8 or 9 different planner sizes that I would love to add into the shop. Can you even imagine, you know, twice as much of what I have? So anyhow, the thought is we just need shelving or a bookcase to house bins that obviously look like this. This is kind of what we've got going on here, and they work perfect, but I just need more space for bins like that. And it's really easy for me to just come in and I'm able to pull my product, you know. So I love this system. We also have these here, and what I've realized is these bins actually will not fit in the Billy bookcases because they are too deep, and that is gonna be a problem. Here I have all of our, we have the discs for the disc bound. We've got plastic discs here. These are metal, plastic. We've got notepads and notebooks, the whiteout. Like, I need these bins, and I would hate to get something that isn't gonna house what I've already got, because I don't wanna spend a bunch of money on bins. No sense in starting from scratch like that. So I need to find something that is going to house all of the things that I currently have, which still could be the Billy bookcases, maybe a mixture of that and another bookcase. We'll see, but I will bring you guys along when that time comes, because, oh, bottom line too, I can't do anything until Rob is ready to take this bookcase up into his office, and he is not ready for it yet. There's actually a lot of stuff that he's got to do first before we can move this upstairs and replace kind of the makeshift areas that we have in his office, because his office kind of became like the dumping ground of things throughout the house that we don't use anymore. So he is going to get this, which I think will be perfect up there for him, but I can't move this until he's ready for it, and he isn't ready for it. So I'm kind of stuck with having to figure out a very temporary solution to our storage problem, because I can't have these out there on our dining room table for another month or two. Because this, what would have been just like a, I'm gonna move this up, I'm gonna get some new bookcases, it's becoming a little bit more than just that. Very exciting, but something that's probably, if I'm to be honest, probably isn't even gonna happen until July. But then also, I added in these 3 different sizes. Look at them. We've got the disc bound. This is the classic disc bound. You can see discs. So we've got the classic disc bound. We've got the personal size. Here's the difference between those two. So cool. And then we've got the personal wide, which is just an inch wider than the personal size. So I added these 3 sizes to our academic year launch, which is July 2026 through June of 2027. But I was gonna wait until next year when we launch the 2027 inserts, but I didn't want to wait. I just didn't want to wait, so I figured let's just jump to it. And a lot of times when I have an idea, I'm like, I want to go with it and I want to do it, and we do it and we figure it out along the way. So not only in this launch did I add new sizes, but I also decided to completely revamp the website. Also just wanted to simplify the website. I wanted to update the color scheme, make things a little bit more clear, easier to find, shop by planner size, planner type. So that took a whole lot longer than I thought that it would. And honestly, it's not even done yet. We have one flat rate for everything. $5.95 US shipping for all orders, and free shipping for any order that's over $125. We're just gonna keep it simple. We're gonna leave it at $5.95 for now, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. If we need to adjust it down the road, we will. So our first launch with Live Happy Label was in April of 2023. So now here we are, it's June of 2026. So I think we're doing pretty good, and I am totally learning along the way, and I have learned so much. Every launch I do, I learn something new every single time. Even with the website, like, I'm really figuring my way around Shopify. Running your own business and having a small business like this is definitely not for the faint of heart. So that being said, I thought I would just kind of bring you up to speed of what's been going on over here and a little bit of where I've been, because I know that I have not been posting on YouTube at all, except for short form, by the way. I do post short form videos. Oftentimes though, YouTube will take it down for copyright infringement, which is ridiculous because it isn't copyright infringement at all. It's music that I am licensed to use. However, it is what it is, and it isn't worth the fight for me. So I am, if you have TikTok or Instagram, I'm over on those platforms too. Now that we have gone through this wave of creating new inserts, as I was creating the inserts, I've created a template for myself. I've created a process for myself. So it shouldn't be this hard next time we add new sizes to the line. So that being said, I will leave you guys here. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. If you are new to my channel, again, I don't even know if I said hi, I'm Charlani. I'm the owner and founder of Live Happy Label. We are a planner company, a stationery company. We have beautiful, functional planning stationery things that I hope you guys will love. And check out the website, livehappylabel.com. She is gorgeous, and I'm so, so proud of her. And you'll see the direction that we are going over there. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.